Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to delve into an exciting topic that can transform your website without making your wallet lighter. Yes, you guessed it. We are talking about how to get free WordPress themes. So let's start. So what you want to do is to go over to WordPress, find plugins, and then click Add New right there. And once you do that, it will send you over to this page where you can install multiple plugins that will help you run your website. What you can do is click Search Plugins right there, and then you want to search for a plugin Astra. So if you search for Astra, it will show up. Let's see. And there it is. Starter Templates, Elementor, Beaver Builder. So what you want to do is click Install Now, and it's going to install on your website. You also need to activate it. And this is what we are going to use to install free themes and build our website. So step number 2 is to click on Activate right here in order to activate this template. And there we go, plugin activated. What you can now do is scroll down, and then right there you can find the Starter Template plugin. So if you click See Library, you can go over to all of the WordPress themes. So these are all WordPress themes that are available on Astra. We can see that there are like tons of them, right? So you can use all of these to build a website. Now, not all of these are free. However, so what you want to do is click on All over here, which is going to launch this drop-down menu. You can filter this on All, Business, Other, Blog, and E-commerce, and you can also filter this on Free. If we click on Free, you can see that right now we have got All selected and we have got Free, meaning that all of the templates that are now showing up are free. So these are all free themes that you can use to build your website. Now, how can you preview them and how can you start editing them and using them on your website? Alright, so what you need to do is find one you like, and let's say I want to use this one. It's the first option. You can like it right there. In order to save it, you can click on it and it will show you the templates. So this is the home page. This is the About page, Manage Services, Projects, Contact, and of course, you can always customize this. Now in order to preview it, what you can do is click on the preview site right here, which will send you over to the website. So this is what the theme looks like. Looks pretty cool to me. Now if you want to start using this, what you can do is simply click right here. If you want to start using it, you click on Import Complete Site, or you can only import the home template, or for example, the About page, or the Services page, or the Contact page. And that really depends on what you are trying to do. So click on Home. Then click on the Import Complete Website. For example, and what's gonna happen right now is that they're gonna import the entire website. So you want to update this? Let's see. Requires plugin. Alright, so for this, you also need a plugin called Elementor, which will help you build this website and select templates. So because this is a new WordPress website that I just set up for these videos, I don't have Elementor yet. So first of all, make sure to sign up for Elementor as well, which I'll do right now. Then I'll get back to you. Once you have done that, it will show you this. So your selected website is being imported. That's great. So as of right now, what it's basically doing is that it's importing the website. It's importing the template that we can start using this specific free theme on WordPress. And it will soon be installed, which is fantastic. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful. Remember, the beauty of WordPress is its flexibility. So don't be afraid to explore and experiment with different themes until you find the perfect one for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might be on the hunt for a free WordPress theme. Your support means a lot to us. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss our next video. We have got plenty more WordPress tips and tricks up our sleeve. Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to see what you create with your new WordPress theme. Until next time, happy creating!